Come on, there we go. Good. Okay, we're at Mike Cook's. Showing you Doug's 37 that is done.
Almost. We still got carpet.
Gotta turn that radio off, Mike. Look at this car. He just finished the paint, got the paint done. Still got the interior to do. Oh, I get goosebumps. Look at this. Come on, don't be shy. Let's talk about these trophies this car has got.
Well, we got a whole attic full upstairs.
I know, but these are
were just laid down here, and they're from Lion's Drag Strip. I don't know where this one's from.
That was
Cook and Joe. When it was Joe's car, or when it was my dad's car, it was Cook and Joe. And when it was Joe's car, it was Joe and Cook. My Uncle Joe Bartlett had one just like this.
When was that?
Back in the 50s.
Back in the 50s.
Yeah. And that's a Rosetta where he ran across Del Mirage Dry Lake.
And this?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a topper for a trophy. Looks like a 50 Ford, 29.
Yeah, I got quite a few of them laying around.
Okay, and then these are all...
Those are just stuff that we had laying around, and I just drug them out for you.
Those are so cool.
Yeah.
Those are so 1959. LA...
What does it say?
LADS.
LADS. I have no idea.
LADS. I can probably look that
That would
up.
give you something to look up.
Yep. That is also cool. There was an emblem right here.
Yeah.
But, I mean, you don't see trophies like this anymore.
No.
They're all plastic participant trophies.
Yeah.
So this is the article from...
Well, this is some articles that I thought you might be interested in. There's Doug with his car winning the... they called him the King way back in the 50s. But there he is with the time on it and all that. This whole book's full of just different things. There it is going across Del Mirage Dry Lake. That's my Uncle Joe's car.
Another 37.
Yeah, you can't see it, but Howard Racing Cams.
Oh, I see them right there.
Uniforms. Back in them days. Here it is again, Service Center.
So this is... this is like on National Dragster?
Yeah, kind of back in them.
Okay.
And then there's the Howard 8 cycle car Doug drove. And then we went to Stonewoods and Cook, and then Stonewoods and Cook.
No, go back to the other picture, Mike. Why was it so important, and so many have done it, was it to change the headlight bezels? To change the headlight bezels. Was that just the look, the thing?
Yeah, just the look, yeah.
It was like...
Some of them were flat,
So
some
you
of them
see
were round.
there,
Yeah, that's flat.
that's a flat bezel.
Yeah.
And there are pictures of this car with a flat bezel on it.
Yeah.
So...
It was just what, just like the back of the car.
Right.
Some of them had tail lights on them. Doug, I believe on this car here, if we go back and look, he's even got a license plate on it.
Really?
Yeah. This is the last time here that it ran with an Oldsmobile.
And that was a, what size Oldsmobile?
480 something.
Okay.
But he was racing Big John, which had a Chrysler.
Mm-hmm.
And Tim told my dad, tell him we're broke. I don't want to go up there. And my dad goes, what do you mean? He goes, we're broke. I don't want him beating me. And Doug goes, well, he's not going to beat us. He goes, I'm going to get a hole shot on Bones. And he goes, and he'll smoke the tires catching me. and Tim goes, well, how do you know that? He goes, trust me. And that's
what happened. There's a famous picture where he's smoking the
famous
tires.
Picture. Very few people know that, but that's a God's honest truth.
So back then, what would the lights be? How was he able to do that?
He just knew.
Does he just stage quickly or what?
Yeah, Doug he was very quick on the starting line.
Yeah.
He was very quick.
That's funny. It's
Yeah.
a funny story.
And there it is with Nesky.
Wow.
I don't care about that one. Or that one. Or that one.
Is that the car that's in the trailer?
Well, that's the recreation.
Okay.
You'll see that later. It's that's the one he crashed in that ended his actually ended his career.
Okay.
There's Dougie right there. What happened was he was spinning the tires and he started playing with a spoiler, and he put spoiler on the back, but he never put nothing to put downforce on the front. And the car hit Alton, Illinois, September 13th, 1967. He took and he was hitting bumps down there, and the car hit a bump and went up high. And they say that this piece of fiberglass right here was completely up over the injector. And he had all that air trapped in there. Then we go back in the days again, San Diego, Carlsbad. Then here's Dougie laying on his back and working on the 37.
When do you think that was? In the 40s or 50s?
50s.
I keep forgetting.
There it is with a Esky decal on it. Small block Chevy. Strongberg 97s. There's some more other trophies that we got. There's Fat Boy sitting there. There it is running across Del Mirage again.
Oh, what's happened there?
I don't know.
Someone went upside down.
No, that's just out in the desert.
Oh, it just left out there, huh?
Yeah, abandoned.
Wow.
That's my Uncle Tony there.
Hey, Tony.
There's the car running across. 1957,
Wow.
Lakes. Wearing a stroker hat.
Is that Pomona?
I have no
Looks like
idea.
it.
Probably. That's a good shot of it again. That's where I was after, was that red.
Oh, I like the artillery wheel.
Yeah. Carlsbad again. Howard Cam, twin car. Remember
Right.
I redid that car? And then here's some more stuff. When he painted it black towards the end, and everybody goes, oh, it should have been red, it should have been red. And now that I painted it red, people are going, oh, it looked better black, it looked better black. So who knows? That's Donnie Johansson from Howard Cam's standing there. That's me. It's kind of neat to, you know, reminisce. There's Hirschfield's Oldsmobile, Hirschfield Studebaker. Doug drove it also. There it is with the first set of aluminum rods from Howard.
Really?
Was in this car
It was
here.
in this car here, first set of powered rods.
Yep. New aluminum rods.
Now, was he the first?
Yep.
Oh, a lot of firsts on this thing.
Oh, Howard was a very innovative man. That's why my dad loved him so much. There's Doug with a Studebaker, and I think that's Junior. There's Dougie again. Doug Cook. Record holder, aluminum rods. Allison motor.
Yeah.
You're more than welcome to take this home and just, you know.
Mike, I'm just digging it now. I mean, this is cool that whoever did this was.
I did all this.
Oh, that's great.
I've got the original scrapbook with all this in there, but people